Now we are going to cook something which is damn different. You can't find the recipe anywhere because it just came into my mind right now. I'm just going to create some dish out of the things, vegetables or whatever I can find in my kitchen, and try to make it super healthy. Will not try to use salt, sugar, or any kind of masala, gisala, something and all. We're just going to make it, try to make it tasty, and let's see what comes out. Okay, let's start and get into the kitchen. Yeah.
Hey, what is
Finally, the dish is ready. We are going to serve. Wow. We tried to make something, but I think I made a soup. Yeah, let's call it a soup, and it's looking almost green, orange, and white. We'll call it Zinchik Soup. Zinchik Soup. Okay, that's the name of this dish, and at the end we'll add this blend lemon, and it will give us some flavor. But let's experiment on someone how the taste is. ನೋಡು ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್.
ಉಪ್ಪು ಸಾಲದು.
ಉಪ್ಪ
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಷ್ಟು ಉಪ್ಪು.
ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದಮ್ಮ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಟಿಕೆ
ಸೂಪ್ ಇದು.
ಸೂಪ್
ಕುಡಿ ಕುಡಿ.
ಅವಳು ಕುಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ
ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ? So finally we cooked this. We expected something else, but something else came better than that. Actually, you can see how wonderful it's looking from there. I'm getting water from your mouth by doing this. I just tasted it. Okay, so that's a soup. Actually, it became soup, vegetables and all. What the they have left their essence into the water, and it has given some kind of different taste here. This taste, guys, you will not find in hotels. Just try it out in your home. It's a very simple recipe. I'm not asking you to use the same exact method or exact vegetables that I have used. You got the funda, right? Just use the method, get creative, try something else, and definitely you're going to love it. So that's it. Eat healthy, be healthy. Health is wealth. Okay, bye.